I'm Heather McBride. I'm a reporter with News 12 The Bronx. We got a press release about this event, so we came on out. It's amazing to see the dozens and scores of people who are out here in this heat. It's going up to 100 degrees in the Bronx today, but clearly a lot of people care about inequalities in healthcare.
What we have planned to do today is to really file a complaint with the New York State Attorney General to bring his attention behind this initiative. No longer are we going to be satisfied with having people go to a hospital and not get the best care just because they're either uninsured or they have Medicaid.
In fact, right here in the Bronx, the babies that are being born today are destined to live 8 years less than the white babies that are being born today, this very day in Manhattan. That's a fact. It's a fact that's been known for 50 years. Many of the people standing behind me when we first met with them said, gee, I didn't know that people with diabetes didn't need to lose toes and lose legs. That in fact, that's what happens to people with diabetes. Well, you know what? That's not what happens to people with diabetes. That's what happens to people with diabetes that don't get good medical care.
I was born and raised in the Bronx, and the healthcare system here is not too good. You know, a lot of people aren't giving health care because they don't have the money to, or the insurance to be given health care, so a lot of times they're sent back home or just given foul treatment.
The first question that everybody asks when you call for health care is, what type of insurance do you have? We have recorded every single one of these calls to basically show the way that people are discriminated against. The way when they don't have insurance, people are told, call this doctor, Dr. Jones, and they call the doctor and the number's been disconnected, or the doctor doesn't take people without insurance. Hundreds and hundreds of phone calls. That's what's in this complaint. That's what we're sending to the Attorney General's office, and they better do something about it.
Hospitals in our complaint are still telling patients with Medicaid that they have to go to one part of the hospital, and that patients with private insurance can go to another. But some people in our community deserve the best possible health care, and others, because of the type of their insurance, do not. And who do these practices of separate and equal hurt the most? Well, it's low-income communities of color like the ones that we have here in the Bronx.
I currently work as an administrative assistant. In the administrative field, you tend not to have the best health care. Everyone needs adequate health care, regardless of what position they hold or what economic level. And I'm glad that they're having the rally on the courthouse steps, because this is a prominent area and most of the people around here are middle income. So it's a good way to get the word out and hopefully make some changes.
We will continue to pressure State Attorney General Cuomo. This is a matter of the utmost importance. We've been doing this since 1999, and we will do it until this change happens.
Thank you, REACH, for holding this rally and taking notice of such an important issue.